Hello everyone, today I will show you how to get Apple Intelligence now. So at first open iPhone settings, click on, look here, now I'm get turn on Apple Intelligence option, but some iPhone not get this option. So you need to just change two settings, then you can get 100% this option. So first of all open iPhone settings, go to general, to software update, and you need to must update your iOS 18.1. now I'm already update this. And second solution, open settings and go to general, to scroll down, you need to must change your region. You need to select region United States. I hope you can follow my two step, then you can 100% get this option, and just click on turn on Apple Intelligence to continue. Siri, how is the weather to your iPhone? Hey Siri, send a message. Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hey Siri, get direction how? Hey Siri, get direction home. And finally say Siri, play some music to continue. Okay, now successfully enable Apple Intelligence. So that's it, that's how you can do it.